Up, people? I'm back with another video, and welcome to day 7 of my 12 Days of Swatchmas series. And in this series, I'm going to be swatching out all of the gel polishes and acrylics that I have in my entire collection. I do have a dedicated playlist for this series, and I'll link it down in the description box below. And I hope you all are enjoying this series so far. Today, I'm going to be reviewing some Makartt gel polishes that I was fortunate enough to win in a giveaway. I did win this giveaway quite some time ago, and so I'm just going to be unboxing it and getting it all swatched out with you guys. I believe it is a pink collection from the brand Makartt. And so yeah, sit back, relax, and stay tuned to day 7 of my 12 Days of Swatchmas series. Today I'm going to be swatching out some new Makartt gel polishes that I was fortunate enough to win in a giveaway. So I want to give a quick shout out to Lisette Gel Nails. I won her giveaway a while ago, you guys, and I'm just now getting around to swatching and playing around with some of the goodies that were sent to me. So this here is some Makartt gel polishes that were included in my giveaway box, and so let's see what color she sent me. Okay, and if you all have not checked her channel out, you definitely should. She is the queen of builder gel nails, you guys, so I'll link her channel down in the description box below. Okay, but these are the beautiful colors that were sent to me, and again, these are all from Makartt. Oh cool, got a top coat here, got some pinks, I got a base coat. Nice. Okay, so it looks like it's a pink collection from Makartt. So let's I'll give you guys a closer look at all these polishes. Okay, so first I'm going to show you all the base and top coat. Okay, so this is an 8 ml bottle, and let's take a look at the consistency. I don't think I've used the Makartt's base and top, or if I have, I don't remember it. Ooh, this is thick. I think this might be a really old polish because that mug is thick and goopy. So yeah, I'm not sure how long she had it before she sent it to me, so I will just probably go ahead and toss this. Or I think some people say put it in hot water for it to kind of loosen up or whatnot. So that's the base coat. So I'm not really sure what their consistency is just yet. I don't think that's a good representation of it. This here is the top coat here. Let's take a look, see at this. Ooh, okay. Nice. The top coat is a really nice consistency. It's very thick, which I really like in top coats. So this here is the Makartt top coat. And let's take a look at the colors here. So the first color here is 941. Let's see. Ooh, this is a really beautiful soft pink color. That's very nice. 942. Ooh, this is a really beautiful kind of purpley pink color. It's kind of like a lavender pink. It's really pretty. I like the consistency of the formula too. It seems nice and creamy, and it's a little bit, and it's thicker. Yeah, it's a thick formula. I like that a lot. There's no drip to it. Oh, I think I'm gonna have fun working with these. I like thick gel polishes. 943. Oh, pretty. And this here is a really beautiful kind of mauvey pink. Yeah, this looks like a nice mauvey pink color. Very nice. Then we have 494. Ooh, and this is another beautiful pink. It's just slightly deeper than the last one I just showed. 495. Ooh, okay. So this one is a pink that has kind of like deep peachy undertones to it. It's really cool. It's kind of cool to see like all the different varieties of pink that you can have. But this one's really pretty. Last but not least is 496. Ooh, look at that. This looks like a deep fuchsia pink. Okay, alrighty, so let's get the swatching, okay? 491. Oh, nice. Okay, the consistency of it is really nice. Again, I love how thick the formula is. It gives you a lot of control over the polish when the formula is of a thicker consistency. And this looks like it's really good coverage as well. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, I'm liking that a lot. 942. That's really pretty. Yeah, these colors are very opaque. I'm liking the coverage and the formula a lot. I have swatched out a couple of Makartt polishes that I did when I used to do their Your Nail Lab box. And in general, their polishes tend to be pretty good, but this is the first one that I've had in these little white bottles, and it's quite nice. 943. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, the coverage is really good. It's very opaque, and it levels very nicely. Yeah, I'm a fan. I'm a fan of these polishes. Very nice. Very nice. 494. Ooh, that's pretty. This is that nice mauvey pink color here. Very pretty. Very nice. 945. Very pretty. Yeah, these polishes are very nice. I like the formula. $4.96. This is really pretty. Yeah, I like this a lot. Look at that. That is really pretty. And really quick, I want to show you guys how the top coat performs. Like I said, I'm really loving the consistency of it. Oh yeah, that's nice. Applies beautifully. It's really smooth too. It's interesting, even though it's a little bit thicker, it applies like it's a thin top coat. That's beautiful. You got great control over it. Alrighty, so this is what all the colors are looking like swatched out. This is a really beautiful pink collection from Makartt. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys up closes of each color. So the first color here is 941, which again is this really beautiful light soft pink. 942, which is this really beautiful pinky lavender color. 943, which is a pinky purple color. 949, which is a really beautiful pink. It's a little bit deeper, slightly mauvey. This here is 495, which is a pink that has some brown undertones to it. And then 496, which is a really beautiful deep fuchsia pink. So yeah, you guys, all the colors in this collection are really pretty. Like I said, I love the array and the variety of the different pinks in here. So yeah, I do like Makartt's gel polishes. I think that they, be careful. I do like Makartt's gel polish. And I do like the Makartt gel polishes. I feel like they perform beautifully. It was really one coat coverage. I like the thicker formula that they have. So yeah, I would buy more of these in the future. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this collection. Have you tried Makartt's gel polishes and what do you think of them? I think they're pretty nice. So yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.